in the issue joined, find the defendant, Tracie Hunter, guilty.
Juvenile court judge guilty, but only on 1 of 9 counts. Today, a 6-week trial comes to a confusing end. Tonight, Tracie Hunter faces up to 18 months in prison.
That's the possible sentence that could come down in December. Night on your sides. Tom McKee is live now with what this means for her legal career. Tom?
Well, basically, I talked with a representative of the Ohio Supreme Court just a short time ago. Right now, she's suspended with pay, but once a certified copy of this conviction is filed, that goes to suspended without pay. And she could be disbarred from practicing law. Judge Tracie Hunter said nothing as she arrived under an umbrella at the Hamilton County Courthouse to learn her fate. She was silent moments later as she entered Judge Norbert Nadel's courtroom. Within minutes, though, the 12-member jury announced its verdict after 4 days of deliberations.
Verdict, count number 6. We, the jury, in the issue joined, find the defendant, Tracie Hunter, guilty of having unlawful interest in a public contract.
The conviction stems from the judge's interfering with the firing of her brother from a county job. Jurors couldn't decide guilt or innocence on the 8 other charges against her. Judge Norbert Nadel set sentencing for December 2nd, but didn't tip his hand about imposing probation or prison time.
Usually on a felony 4, this will guarantee probation. However, this charge involves a serious breach of a public trust. And I might say that elected officials, especially judges, are and should be held to a higher standard of conduct.
As Judge Hunter left court, a supporter called out, "We love you." She replied, "I love you too," but left any other comments to her attorney, Clyde Bennett.
I'm hurt. I'm stunned. I'm shocked. I thought as a matter of law, she should have been found not guilty as a matter of law, not as a matter of evidence, but as a matter of law.
Bennett says he will appeal and urged the other 8 counts be dismissed.
You had 2 very, very seasoned prosecutors with about 70 years worth of experience in criminal law collectively. We had 23 witnesses, 400 exhibits, 25 days of trial, and they could not convict her of the 8 counts. So I think those charges should be dismissed without prejudice.
Judge Hunter's supporters shielded her and surrounded her with song as they pushed through reporters to leave the courthouse. They did the same thing outside as she was escorted into a waiting car. Now, special prosecutors Scott Croswell and Merlin Sheverdecker declined comment until that sentencing in December. Now, coming up new at 6, more of what Judge Nadel had to say, and you've only heard a little slice of his tongue lashing of this colleague of his. Tom McKee, Night on Your Side, live at the Hamilton County Courthouse.